The second participant, he is going to start his race from lane number 2.
Harjot Singh, representing Punjab.
From Harjot Singh from Punjab.
Lane number 4, lead number 149, Bharat Kaju Anji.
Bharat Kaju Anji. And Neeraj Chopra is in action.
Karnataka.
Here he is.
Lane number 5,
Whenever he touched the javelin, our hope reach a new high. Oh, it's a good one. It's got a good elevation there. And how much he is going to cover with that? It's going to cross the 80-meter mark, that's for sure. But how much he can add? That's always the case.
representing Karnataka.
That's always the case.
Lane number 7, lead number 135, Parveen Pura, representing Haryana. Lead number 225, Nikesh Dhanraj Rathod, representing Maharashtra.
On your mark.
So 8 participants are going to participate in it. Anand Prakash of Delhi. Let me tell you the name of all the athletes. Arjun Khokar of Haryana, then Harjot Singh from Punjab, Bharat Kaju Anji from Karnataka, Praveen from Haryana, Vinay Nagaraj from Karnataka, Praveen Bura from Haryana, and Nikesh Rathod from Maharashtra. 8 participants, and now they all have merged into a single lane. And this 2-lap race is always one of the most tightly contested events anywhere it took place. Getting the early lead is the athlete from is Anand Prakash from Delhi, but a lot can change as we are reaching towards the point from where they will hear the bell and the second and the final lap will start. They are going to reach at the point. 300 meters have gone. Now the final 500 meters are going to start. Getting an early lead is the Nilesh Kumar Rathod of Maharashtra. All the athletes are trying in front, just not too far behind him, only a few meters behind him is Praveen Bura of Haryana. Praveen Bura of Haryana is looking to catch the pace of Maharashtra's athletes Nilesh Rathod, but Nilesh Rathod is still holding an edge. Nilesh Rathod is trying very hard from the behind. Praveen Bura of Haryana is trying very hard, desperately hard to catch the pace of this man, but Maharashtra's athlete is not showing any sign of going slow. It's going to be a 2-horse race, it looks like, because only 200 meters to go, and in fact Nilesh Kumar Rathod of Maharashtra has increased his pace and he's widening the gap between him and Pravesh Bura of Haryana. Pravesh Bura of Haryana is trying very hard, but Nilesh Rathod is showing no signs of slowing down. In fact, he has increased his pace. All the athletes are trying very hard, and Harjot Singh from Punjab and Praveen from Haryana are also trying from the behind, but Nikesh is showing no signs of slowing down. In fact, he has increased his speed. In Nikesh, he can see the finishing line, trying very hard from the behind is Praveen Bura from Haryana. But Praveen Bura of Haryana, can he live up to the expectation? No, I do not feel that he can. And the man who got the lead at the earlier stages retained it till the end. And the athlete from Maharashtra, in one of the tightest contests, won the race. Praveen Bura of Haryana tried very hard from the behind. He tried to catch the pace of the athlete from Maharashtra, but he couldn't quite reach there. And in 1 minute 53.65 seconds, the athlete of Maharashtra, Nikesh Rathod, got the first position there. He is totally exhausted, as you can see there, totally, but still he managed to retain his lead. He got the lead from the earlier part of the race when all the athletes merged, and we were expecting that something will change, but nothing changed until the end. And Nikesh Dhanraj Rathod, remember this name, he produced a very stunning speed, and it's very tough to maintain the edge till the end, because a lot of athletes waited in the wings, and all that he's tried to catch the pace setter, but that didn't happen there. And here we have the official confirmation of the result. Nikesh Dhanraj of Maharashtra got the first position in that tightly fought race among all the athletes. Praveen Bura of Haryana got the second position in that, and Arjun of Haryana, who was looking also very promising, but he could finish only at the third.